Deploying Uniswap v3 contract requires a thorough understanding of the Ethereum blockchain and smart contract deployment. First, ensure you have a basic knowledge of Solidity programming language and Ethereum ecosystem. To begin, set up a development environment by installing Node.js and Truffle Suite, a popular framework for building and deploying Ethereum smart contracts. Create a new Truffle project and install the necessary dependencies, including the Uniswap v3 contract repository. Next, clone the Uniswap v3 contract repository from GitHub and import it into your Truffle project. The Uniswap v3 contract consists of several components, including the Uniswap v3 core contract, Uniswap v3 factory contract, and Uniswap v3 pool contract. Before deploying the contract, you need to compile it using the Truffle compile command. This will generate the necessary ABI and bytecode files required for deployment. Then, create a migration script to deploy the contract to the Ethereum blockchain. In the migration script, specify the contract to be deployed. In this case, the Uniswap v3 factory contract. After creating the migration script, deploy the contract to a test network, such as Ropson or Rinkeby, using the Truffle migrate command. This will deploy the Uniswap v3 factory contract and other dependent contracts to the test network. Once the contract is deployed, verify it on the Ethereum blockchain using a tool like Etherscan. This ensures that the contract has been successfully deployed and is functioning as expected. Finally, test the deployed contract by interacting with it using a tool like Truffle Console or a Web3 library like Web3.js. This involves creating a pool, adding liquidity, and swapping assets to ensure the contract is working correctly. By following these steps, you can successfully deploy the Uniswap v3 contract to the Ethereum blockchain. Remember to always follow best practices, such as testing and verifying contracts before deploying them to the mainnet.